Okay, guys, you have a secret. I just know a secret from Toggled Web. So, you want more videos of me, just make sure to please subscribe and press the like button, and make sure to click the bell button for more videos, guys. And see you, because today's video we are getting the secret from the Toggled Web, Spider-Man PS4. Then you know, if you comment, I can see it from Roblox, of course, because I'm playing now, okay? I'm playing. Just forget about it, okay? But don't forget that you have to subscribe and like, okay? And there you have it. Now let's go to Toggled Web. You can play it on tab, phones, and you can play it on computers, laptops, and for TV you have to play PS4. Okay, you just have to play PS4. But if it's tab or computer or phones, you just have to play Roblox, okay? So guys, here we go. So, do you want to swing? And let's find out the showdown. Let's go. Woohoo! I love being Spider-Man, but still it's hard to control because you just have to be Spider-Man. It's so scary that you're in the tall building and it's so scary to jump off. But I'm Spider-Man. Comment if you know the more secrets for a video, okay? For a video again. Let's do this. Hi. So if your web stand quickly there on the top, you just have to press these two buttons to get in. And if you do that correctly, that is the secret. Keep spamming those buttons and you will get inside. Just keep spamming those buttons until you get inside. To get inside more quicker, you just have to do this. Wait. Okay, there. This is Roblox. Sorry guys, but we have to reset because my game is totally broken right now. It's still broken. What's happening? Okay, guys, we have to leave and do this again. Sorry guys, but my game is so broken right now. I can't even tell what thing is the problem. So that's why we're doing that and fixing it. Okay, tangled web. Okay, we're back and nothing's happening. Let's go again for a spin. Woo! Woo! Yeah. That is the building to looking for. That's the building we are looking for. And we're stuck. So just have to spam clicking. Wait, how did I do that? This is the secret. You can actually go through here. You can actually go here. That's the secret. But to get out, you just have to quickly jump. You just have to spam jumping and you will get out. That's how you escape, and that's the secret. Goodbye, guys. And see you later and you will see me and in the next video. Bye bye, guys. Bye. And we're done. Bam. Actually, we're not done. Okay, so